Okay, so over here we have ing or no ing. Want, can, will, must, should, have, be, going to, plan to. Those are the future. If you're going to use ing or not. Be, was, should be, must be, have been, going, stopped. These are all where you will use ing. So first, let's take a look at where you do not use ing. So a lot of people will say, I want to running, and that's wrong. They're not going to be able to say that. I can, so want, can, will, must, should, have to, going to, no ing here, plan to run. So all of these have no ing. In other words, a lot of people will put ing like I will running, I must running, I should running, I have to running, I am going to running, I plan to running. So a lot of people will make those mistakes. Now plus ing. I am running, I was running, I have to be running. Just kind of strange. Yeah, so in oral English, it's like I have to go. 我得在跑步, I have to be running. So this is the literal meaning, but I have been running. That's okay. I must be running. I should be running. I stopped running. Okay. So another one you might want to look into is while. So while I cooking is wrong. After I cooking, before I cooking, and when I cooking, all of those are wrong. While I cook, after I cook, before I cook, when I cook, after cooking. So if there's no I, this one here, then you can say ing. So in the midst of, previous to, during, while, after, before, when, those are all correct. So what you should do today, because this is a lot of examples, just go through the video. These are the ones you should not have ing. So no ing, and these ones will all have ing. So you can see here, it says no ing, want, can, will, must, should, have to, going to, plan to. No ing in there. It's a really common mistake for my students. The next one is I am running, I was running, I have to be running, I'm going running, I have been running, I must be running, I should be running, I stopped running. All of those. So those will be the ones you want to remember for ing. This is one way you can remember for these characters. While, after, before, when I was cooking is wrong. So you want to say while cooking, after cooking, before cooking, when cooking. And if you say this one, if you say I, then you say while I cook, after I cook, before I cook. There's no ing. When I cook, okay? So you can see it's all there. And here. So next week we will do instead and replace. Today we did ing or no ing, and last week we did if. So I will talk to you in the next video. Be sure to share the video with your friends. Thank you very much.